Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and guess where I went today? Michael's. I did go out. Oh my goodness. I got so much great stuff though, but of course I was safe. I hope you guys are still being safe. If you're heading out into the world, I still haven't hit the Dollar Tree. So sad. I want to go so bad. But let me show you. Oh, do you know what this is? It's to make tumbler cups. You guys, I'm in trouble if I hit a new thing to do, because I got a tumbler cup as well. This is, I didn't even look. I just saw it and I'm like, yes, I need that. It is insulated. It comes with the straw. This was only like $4.99. So I had the 20% off coupon. I've got the little, they're called finger cots. Little tiny little finger guys. Tony's going to have a heyday with this when he sees the video. And then I've got this little arm that attaches to it, and you can make little ornaments. So that's cool. And then, of course, who can't do the glitters? So actually these are my cousin's glitters. So she got those two colors. I use the Artesas with all the glitters in the world. But we did get this little short cuts. Look how teeny tiny. It's Krylon and it's spray paint. So you could spray your tumbler. And then also, some more of this, which is the epoxy resin. So got that so that you can put the epoxy on the outside. And I think you can mix it with the mica powder, which I have as well. So, oh my gosh, that's everything. But, I'm gonna have so much fun. If you want me to record it, let me know. Put it down in the comments below what color you think I should do this. Let me know. I want to make this a Beauty and the Stamper mug, so I cannot wait to hear. All right, beauties, it's wonderful seeing you guys all again. I cannot wait for tomorrow's online class, and hopefully a lot of you will be on it if you had purchased Stampin' Up! From me. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!